we're gonna go kayak with the manatee and go eat a tiki bar. It's gonna be a good day.
That's right.
Look at this cool gas station. It has a taco truck and everything.
We just talk about the beauty real quick. Like,
A golf
man, look
course.
at this beautiful golf course.
They look like they're having a good time out there.
All right, go ahead, baby. You can start it up. You're heading out towards that tall palm tree over there. Right there. Look how pretty. Wow.
Oh my god. They look a lot more fun because it's not singular fish, it's the entire school working on it.
Huh, no, you're good.
Now this little door, well this little flap thing looks like a mullet, a mussel cap. It's what's called a door. And it's to get into their little enclosure that they got here. This is a little snail, baby.
I know, look at that.
Oh, it's moving the end of it. It's a little.
That's
Oh, he's
his eye.
opening up.
That's his eye that you're
That's
seeing.
his eye right there, babe.
Is it?
That's its eye right there. That's opening up. That's so cool.
The ground is very silty here, so
I
it's
bet.
like muddy sand.
Yeah.
Right
He's
there.
sinking into it a little bit.
So that's apparently the eye right
Would you
there.
guys like your water while we're out here?
What is it there?
Yeah, that's cool. Do I just put them back in?
Yeah, whenever you're done, just drop them on in.
It's probably like thanks.
Kerplunk.
There he is right there.
Hopefully we'll have a living one. I just saw his outline and was like, oh, well. It did, and I just gave birth to another jellyfish by accident.
Oh my god, babe.
Jellies.
I love them.
Aren't they cute?
Oh, yeah. Oh. Ew, it's in my fingers. Can I drop it back?
Yeah, go ahead.
Like, we don't get a lot of damage. Last year, it damaged the whole vineyard, but this year, it didn't really do much. Yeah. Right?
He's like to eat. Yeah. Right there. Now, if we can only see one.
So there's snails.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, there's one right here, man. Little snail. There's a jelly too.
I like seeing the propagules planted. There are a few that have planted. They look alive.
There it is.
It's a mangrove propagule.
Yeah, it's like a little green bean.
Yeah, and it'll basically like plant itself into the sand and then grow into one of those.
That's right. And then the manatees like to eat those.
Yeah, so if a manatee's coming by, it would just snag stuff.
Yeah. It'd jump in our boat and just snag it right out your hand.
And there's a little green hare right there.
Yeah.
Right? Even there,
Yep,
a little
yep.
green heron. That was my favorite bird. They're very territorial about their branches. Okay, bye. You don't want to mess with your branch. Well, he doesn't care about us. He cared about the other birds on the branch.
Alright, so we finished our kayaking tour. Unfortunately, we didn't see any manatees or dolphins or anything. Our tour guide was great. It was a really peaceful tour. It was really beautiful, which is great. Just a little disappointed we didn't get to see that stuff. Our tour guide was a little concerned that, you know, She was like, this is weird. Usually we see like 2 or 3 dolphins at least by now. She was thinking maybe it was the storm coming in, so that might be it. But yeah, well, we're gonna go get some good food. They have a lot of cool art here in Cocoa Beach and murals.
It's not even the coolest one.
It's not even the coolest one, but we just wanted to like show these off real quick. All this stuff. I think it's really, really cool stuff. This jellyfish is cool. And then all this. All right, so we're gonna stop here first, then I think we're gonna go to Captain Jay's right over here to the right. You like all the murals, babe?
Yeah, I do.
Get some alligator.
Want some gator tacos there?
Yeah, that's right. Oh, sorry, boss. Little buddy was trying to get some food.
Not from me.
Alligator bites.
It's the conch fritters. You gotta get the lime on that.
And I got an orange crush, you know.
Yummy.
Something good, not too sweet. Alright. The gator is a little tough, but it's really good.
And these conch fritters, it's my first time trying them and they're delicious. These are so cute. Oh, I'm gonna get this one, I think.
That was a nice little spot, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Sandbar.
And the server was great.
Was great. You were gonna get a shirt, but they didn't have your size.
What are you gonna do? It was
That
super
stinks.
cute.
And of course, we had to stop at the beach. It's right by the restaurant. The restaurant is right over there, and we just walked through just to take a quick peek. Taking a video of you. Coming back here one day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, now you gotta take me on a vacation again.
All right, bye to the sandbar.
We're doing something cool.
Now we're going to the biggest Ron John surf shop in the world.
Yeah, online it says it's their flagship store.
That's
and
right.
This place is huge.
You can tell. So that's Ron John. And this is Ron John as well. That's crazy.
I want to take a picture of the surfboard.
It's 2 buildings. There we go. Oh, it feels so good. How big it is. Wow. This place is huge. It goes all the way back up top up there. Home decor stuff too.
Social butterfly.
And then look, it goes all the way up there. Like that's crazy. how
That
big
is
this place
crazy.
And then they have it all the way over there. So we're already finding stuff. I thought this was cool.
Look at a waterfall in the store.
I know. That's pretty.
They got sandals and everything. And hats.
All flip-flops and shoes over here that go on forever. And then they even got Quicksilver, Salt Life, all kinds of stuff in here. So Jenn is in heaven. They have Quicksilver, they have Vans, they've got
so
Salty
cute.
Crew, they got you know, Salt Life, Salty Crew, Dark Seas, Rivka. They got every brand imaginable. I mean, you can't see me right now, but I have so much stuff in my hands that I have to go through to see what I actually want. It's crazy. Over there, they have a bunch of Vans stuff. All that good stuff. Quicksilver, O'Neill, Rip Curl, Volcom. Everything. I mean, it's like being in a Zoomies, a giant Zoomies or Tilly's. And of course, they have the surfboards on both sides. You like that?
Pretty it is. This and those shorts.
Yes.
Like,
Oh. Women's section for days.
dude, it's hard.
All the way around over there. So that Ron John's surf shop was,
Insane.
it was crazy. I could have spent so much money in there.
It was hard because we had to cut down on stuff we were buying because like, maybe we shouldn't buy $500
Right.
worth of clothing. you
Right.
know?
Like, now we're at the ice cream hut with more nice murals. I know. Let's go check it out. Might get a sundae. Look at this cool
I want a picture of it.
octopus.
Can I get a picture? Look at ice cream.
Look at that thing. There's sour power. Lucky Charms. Good looking stuff here. Look at those. I know. It looks so good. And then they have shaved ice. Also do different type of cones here. Pretzel cone, M&M, chocolate chip cookie. So I ended up getting this right here, which is the brownie bomb.
And I got a pineapple milkshake.
Give us just a minute.
That right there. There it is, a pineapple milkshake with sprinkles and my brownie bomb. Brownies, whipped cream, cherry, there's nuts, hot fudge, caramel. It was supposed to come with marshmallow sauce, but I didn't want any marshmallow sauce. I felt like that was overkill. More art, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There's a little circus. That's so cool. Hold on, there's more back there. Oh, the circus.
We didn't even go into the other side.
I know. We had to take a quick stop for the murals. Look how cool that is.
All right, so we did some shopping.
You can see that I'm burnt as hell.
Yeah, me too. So we did some shopping after our little Cocoa Beach adventure, and we got a bunch of stuff. We'll show it off later, but all I have to say is I got some shoes for free at American Eagle. And I don't know, but I'm psyched about it.
Bahama Breeze, as usual. So they have a dragon fruit margarita, and I've been saying that places need to do like a dragon fruit like crush or something. I love dragon fruit, and I'm all about this seafood paella. It's really good as well. There's the shrimpies that we always do.